Today we're at 1120 Bees Barbecue Road in Greenville, North Carolina. Let's take a head inside. This unit is absolutely beautiful. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. I love the 2-tone walls we have in here. There are new blinds in here. This carpet is super nice and brand new. Absolutely gorgeous in here. To the left over here we have stairs, and going up the stairs we do have a storage closet right there. As we head into our kitchen here, we have a really nice kitchen nook. You can see these are some new blinds, and we do have laundry hookups over here. Coming into our kitchen, really nice in here. Lots and lots and lots of storage. Let's head outside. It is a windy day here in North Carolina today, but you have a nice little backyard area. It's really quiet out here besides the wind, obviously. Little patio to sit on. And let's head upstairs after we check out. Right up there will be a new microwave put in, so you don't have to worry about that. And we do have a half bath down here. So heading upstairs, like I said, we have 2 bedrooms up here with 2 full bathrooms. They each have their own private bedroom and bathroom. Again, we have the same wall coloring going everywhere throughout this house. Really great size bedroom. You have a closet right there, and a shower, and toilet. Really nice up here, guys. Tons and tons of space. Again, another bedroom with a large closet. This is a stand-up shower. Really cute in here, guys. And once again, pretty large closet over there.
Renting from Flagship Property Management is easy and has so many advantages. You can pay your rent and make maintenance requests online. There's a 24-hour emergency maintenance hotline, and we have ethical and professional office staff along with so much more. If you like the property that you saw, schedule a viewing online at flagshipretalproperty.com, or as always, give us a call at 252-364-4944.